The number one reason why you are not achieving your goals and how to fix it.
ये एक नशा है क्योंकि ये लत हर के बच्चों से लेकर अब बड़ों तक लग चुकी है।
मोबाइल एडिक्शन की वजह से लोग डिप्रेशन, एंजाइटी और अकेलेपन जैसे साइकोलॉजिकल डिसऑर्डर से भी जूझ रहे हैं।
काफी के बेटे किसी पबजी गेम के चलते
What if I told you that quitting social media and focusing on your career could be the key of unlocking your dreams? Maybe you succeed, maybe you fail, but one thing for sure, you will never know unless you try. Hello, I am Vikrant and I am guilty of wasting years of time on social media. But today I am taking a stand and challenging myself to transform my life, and I want you to join me. Here are the 5 rules to transform your life. Number 1. Get enough sleep. Number 2. Drink 4 to 5 liters of water every day. Number 3. Exercise daily. Number 4. Track your progress every day and make to-do list. Number 5. Earn, save and invest money. Bro, don't waste another year of your life without any goal. Join me on this transformation journey and let's become the best version of ourselves.